Artificial intelligence is already transforming the public sector. Government agencies are investing in AI to combat fraud, enhance security of information systems, streamline processes and procedures, improve benefits and service delivery, and much more. But in this environment, government agencies can feel pressured to keep pace with AI developments, even as they face limited resources to develop capabilities and concerns about AI safety and potential misuse. CNA analysts have seen how rapid technological progress can result in uneven adoption across government agencies. Those that don't want to get left behind will need to assertively plan out a strategy to mature their AI capabilities. CNA created the AI Maturity Model to enable government agencies and departments to understand and easily communicate their current level of AI maturity, while identifying and planning out their path to increased AI maturity. It lends formality, credibility, and structure to a program, even at its most nascent stages. There are other maturity models for artificial intelligence out there, but the CNA AI Maturity Model is the only one specifically designed to give practical guidance to government at all levels: federal, state, local, territorial, and tribal.
My work supporting the Federal Emergency Management Agency's modernization efforts made me think that government agencies would benefit from a maturity model for artificial intelligence. There's so many facets in employing AI effectively that it can be hard to figure out how to fit all the pieces together. Understanding where you are and where you want to go to is a fundamental part of any systematic planning effort, and our AI maturity model offers government agencies a way to do just that.
When a technology is advancing this quickly and has so many new capabilities and applications, it's easy to get excited. But that means that there is a temptation for organizations to jump straight into the deep end without thinking about necessarily where their capabilities are at, where they would like them to go, and what pitfalls might exist along the way that they don't see yet. This maturity model brings together a huge amount of information and learning, which allows government agencies to make a plan. You need to have a plan if you're going to take these capabilities as far as they can go. And more than that, it allows them to make decisions, and not only to make them, but to explain them and defend them.
The CNA Maturity Model for government agencies was designed to be practical and actionable. It easily adapts as your program grows. The model is structured around two dimensions. The first is its organizational framework. It is organized around broad-based domains, each of which is further broken down into subdomains, and then each of those is broken down into topics. The second dimension is the levels of maturity. There are 4. Developing is generally characterized by very limited or no activity on a given AI topic. Performed indicates that activity for a given topic is ad hoc or partial. An agency or department with established maturity on a given topic engages in those AI activities consistently, using established structures. The optimized level of maturity for a given topic is generally characterized by high degrees of effectiveness and a focus on continuous improvement. Now let's take a closer look. You see on the left the 5 domains of AI maturity. They bring together the many AI topics into the broader questions of whether an agency's AI has mature governance, resources, impactful outputs, trustworthiness, and security. On the right, you see the 14 subdomains. This is our interpretation of all the aspects of AI that are of concern to government agencies. Each subdomain, for example, coordination, strategy, and planning, is further broken down into a series of topics. Our priority was to define topics in a way that was easily understood and actionable, with logical boundaries between them. The output of this process is an easy-to-read graphic that compares an agency's current maturity, the blue triangles, with its end goal maturity, the red squares. You can see that in plan development, this agency has reached an established level of maturity. The difference between the current and goal levels on the model suggests the roadmap needed to achieve goal maturity for each topic. Further detail in the model can guide you through the next steps toward that goal.
We wanted the AI maturity model to be comprehensive. The result was over 450 milestones. Distilling this information graphically is essential to avoiding information overload. The representation of the current maturity and the goal maturity in a graphic can be a powerful motivator, highlighting how far an organization has to go and framing information as the change that needs to occur. I hope this maturity model makes it easier for government agencies to plan a roadmap to developing their AI-related capabilities and provides concrete, practical building blocks for them to achieve their goals.
Are you a government agency or government department working to formalize your AI program and set a path for future maturation? Download the CNA AI Maturity Model for no cost and contact us for support in implementing it. We look forward to working with you.